Tell me what's in the box. I'm hoping it's what I think it is, but I'm thinking, it says here, intake manifold, aluminium. Extracts the paperwork. Oh, that paperwork's now a two-piece paperwork. Yep. Hardware. The other one's not software.
Sharp thing away.
Hey, getting it.
Looks like it's for a Vvti. That's all O-ringed.
It's all O-ringed. I believe that's for a Bosch drive-by-wire throttle body. Yeah. That is a lot light. You do that with a VVTi manifold.
No.
Fuel rails, crossover pipe, yep. O-rings. Yep.
Bolts.
Yep.
Cool.
You got to touch it first?
What's it going on?
It has no home.
It has no home.
It has no home yet. It has no home.
Must be a bolt my manifold back on.